Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to use Facebook Reel. If you want to use Facebook Reel and you want to use it very well, this is how you go about it. First, you go to your Reels, you click on Reels. Here you can see
on the 11th of February
videos of Reels, people, different videos of Reels. It's just like the Instagram Reels. You can up to see more of the videos. So if you want to post your own reel, for example, you go back, you click on this create reel. Here you select the video you want to create reel. You select the video, you can select image. For example, let's create a reel. Let's select this. You can add audio to it. Let's add audio to it.
It become this boy. Now you can not my boy. It become the gas boy. Now you can not my toy boy. It become the gas boy. Now you can not my toy boy. It become the gas boy. Now you can not my toy boy. It become gas boy. Now you can not my toy boy. It become.
So after adding anything you want to add, you click on next. You write caption. For example, you write any caption you want to write for your reel. After writing, you can enable remixing if you want anyone to remix your reel. If you don't want it, you can disable it. You can select if you want your reel to be public. If it's on public, it will be visible to anyone on or off Facebook. If it's, you can select it to be for your friends alone. You can select it to be for your friends and accept some particular individual. After selecting any one of your choice, you click on done. Then you click on share reels. The reel will be uploaded successfully. As you can see, mine is currently uploading. It's currently uploading. My reel have successfully uploaded. As you can see, this is my my Facebook reel. So guys, that's it on how to use Facebook reel. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.